So Delta went Randy Savage on our luggage.
Look at this, prima donna!
Travel is back in full swing, and we know what that means. Mishandled baggage. In the first half of 2023, the International Air Transport Association reported 5.7 million mishandled bags. So in this video, I'll be giving you some tips and show you how to easily submit a claim if you find yourself in this situation. I'll be using Delta for this example because upon return from Alaska, we noticed our luggage looked a little different. Evidence example A. So as you can see, it looks like somebody used this as a tire for that hammer swinging workout. I mean, these wheels will never glide gracefully across the terminal floors ever again. We actually have CCTV footage of the incident on this monitor.
Look at this! He slammed it!
Disgusting. No, but in all seriousness, Delta is an amazing airline and they handle this entire situation with such poise and professionalism, so thank you so much to Delta. And that leads me to tip number 1. Inspect your bags at the carousel. Majority of the airlines will only give you 24 hours to submit any claims. After the 24 hours, you're out of luck. And I know this may seem like common knowledge, but at Journey to the Waypoint, we understand that you may have reservations, shuttles, or drivers that you need to get to, so you may be tempted to just grab and go. Take the extra second, inspect your luggage. If you identify any damages, submit that claim as soon as possible. Tip number 2, always submit your claim at the airport with a crew member. Now I know there are some airlines that allow you to start a claim online by yourself, American Airlines being one of them, but for an example, JetBlue is currently not offering any lost or damaged reports online. So you don't want to end up in a situation where on the 23rd hour, you go to submit a claim and you realize that that airline is actually not offering that online service.
No! God, please, no!
In the unfortunate event you find your luggage has been mutilated, you're going to locate the nearest luggage service center. Now in most major airports, this will be found within the baggage claim of the respected airline. And depending on the size of the line, this whole process should only take around 10 to 15 minutes. But if you do see a line, and again, you have any drivers or reservations you need to get to, give them a call and they'll let you know the best course of action. But if you booked any of these with a travel agent, call your agent, explain the situation, and they'll be able to handle all the details while you focus on what's important, being your luggage. After submitting your claim, a Delta crew member will give you one of these booklets. Now this booklet has your file reference number located on it. Now, when we did this, we were told that if we did not receive an update within 2 weeks to call the number located on the back of the booklet and we can get an updated status on our case. This is not true, and one of the main reasons I made this video in the hopes to save time and frustration for anyone who was told this as well. When it comes to Delta, all claims need to be submitted online using the file reference number you received from the crew member. Tip number 3, do not throw away your damaged luggage, and I'll explain why in just a second. What you see now is the online claim form for Delta. I'll put a link to this in the description. You're going to fill out your name and reference number and hit next. The next page is going to ask you to take photos of the damaged bag along with some simple questions. Now this is why I said earlier to not throw away the luggage, because you may still need them. If you are eligible for a replacement bag, after the confirmation email, you'll receive this email here. Now this has a password and a hyperlink to the website where you'll make your selection. Unfortunately, our case is closed, so I won't be able to show you this page, but you'll see an array of bags ranging from different styles and sizes, and regardless of the bag that was damaged, you can select any bag you see on that list. So this is the bag we got from Delta. You'll receive a packing invoice on the box. Now the luggage that was damaged was a large, this one's a medium. I'm not too sure why we got a smaller one. There's probably reasons for that. But the really cool thing is it has some features our broken bag didn't, such as a locking mechanism, and the bag expands a little bit. So you might walk away with a better bag than the one that was damaged, but I know we have our Gucci and Louis Vuitton family, so I digress. It took about 2 weeks for this bag to get to us after making the selection, and you'll actually receive a tracking email, so you'll know exactly where it's at. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I would love to talk to you all, and I hope this helps you on your journey to your waypoint.